Sneha Sandhya, Recreation and Welfare Society for Senior Citizens. Twilight filled with friendship. We are an association of over 450 senior citizens from all walks of life, aged 60 to 95 years in Visakhapatnam. We are not poor. We are blessed with education, love, compassion, and commitment to serve elders suffering from isolation, poverty, and neglect. With economic development coupled with globalization, children are leaving behind their parents in search of education or employment. A large majority of these elders suffer from physical, financial, social, and emotional insecurity and lapse into depression. Realizing the need for bringing such elders together for companionship, recreation, and mutual support, 5 individuals formed a recreation and welfare society for elders in the year 2004, precisely on the 26th of January, the Republic Day 2004, and named it appropriately as Sneha Sandhya. 10 years have passed since this momentous act, and now the membership stands at about 450 plus. The women members have organized themselves into a wing named Sneha Sudha to organize their own interactive programs and share the activities of the society. Ever since the association was established in 2004, regular devotional, spiritual, or variety entertainment and awareness programs, including medical and personal aspects as well, are conducted at least thrice in a month for relaxation of our members. Eminent personalities, artists, program professionals, and doctors participated in our programs regularly. We also have regular monthly in-house programs of variety participated and organized by our own members. We conduct yearly picnics, tours every year for our members. In the year 2005, Sneha Sandhya decided the time has come to reach out to the poor and the needy old people in the society and devised a program called Narayana Seva. This is basically a program to adopt a few old age communities for supply of necessary provisions and spending 2 hours of quality time with the inmates on specified days once every month. A novel and interesting program named Pata Mata Ata has been devised with active participation and interaction by our members with the inmates of the old age homes. The old age homes presently covered are Burma Camp Repatriates Colony in Muralinagar, Priyadarshini Old Age Home in Akkayapalam, St. Joseph's Home for the Aged in Krishnanagar, Prema Samajam Old Age Home, Vijay Sai Old Age Home at Nerella Valasa near Bhimli. These are some of the visuals from Priyadarshini Old Age Home.
అన్నదమ్ములు వదిలేసిన అక్క చెల్లి వదిలేసిన కన్న బిడ్డలు వదిలేసిన నేనంటే ప్రేమ నీకు యేసయ్యా, నేనంటే జాలు నీకు యేసయ్యా.
శివ శివ శంకర భక్తవ శంకర నమో నమో హర హర మహాదేవ శంభో హర హర.
సాధారణంగా పూర్వకాలంలో, ఇప్పుడంటే కొంచెం వేరే సంస్కృతి వచ్చింది. మొట్టమొదటి ఏమిటంటే పల్లెట గ్రామాల్లో పట్టణంలో కూడా ఆడవాళ్ళకి పెళ్ళిడు వస్తుంది. అమ్మాయిలకి పెళ్ళి అవ్వకముందు, పెళ్ళి అయిన తర్వాత కూడా, అమ్మ నీ భర్త పేరు ఏమిటి అని అడిగితే ఎవరైనా చెప్తారా? చెప్పరు. కానీ ఏదో ఒక విధంగా చెప్తారు.
మీకు 10 రూపాయలు వచ్చిందా లేదా అని చక్కగా అందరూ సంతోషంగా ఆడుకున్నారు. అది మాకు కావాల్సింది. మాకు కావాల్సిందంటే మేము స్వార్థపరులం. అంటే ఏంటి, మీరు నవ్వుతుంటే మాకు సంతోషం. అది మేము స్వార్థం కోసం చేస్తున్నాం అనుకోండి, మీరు పర్లేదు, కానీ మీరు సంతోషంగా ఉండాలి.
This one is at Sri Sai Old Age Home in Neralla Valasa.
అందరికీ నమస్కారం, స్వాగతం, సుస్వాగతం. పాట, మాట, ఆట.
రామ రామ జయ రామ 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 జయ
ఈ 700 శ్లోకాలు కూడా ఇప్పుడు ఈ డైనమిక్ యుగంలో చదవడానికి కష్టం అవుతున్నది కాబట్టి 18 అధ్యాయాలు 18 శ్లోకాలు రాశారు. ఆ 18 శ్లోకాలు చదువుకుంటే కూడా కొంత మేజర్ ఎస్సెన్స్ ఆఫ్ భగవద్గీత అర్థమవుతుంది. దాన్ని అర్థం చేసుకుని జీవితాన్ని సుఖప్రదం చేసుకోవడానికి అవకాశం ఉంది.
This one is at Prema Samajam Old Age Home.
Sorry, don't worry. Done. Next. హలో, సారీ, కొంచెం పడలేది అని బాధపడద్దు, ఆట కింద తీసుకోండి.
Also, every year, our Sneha Sandhya members celebrate the new year along with all the inmates of all the old age homes adopted by us and enjoy a grand cultural program with lunch and cultural programs at Jalavudjan, which is very popular with the inmates of the old age homes and our members as well. There were occasional excursions to picturesque places nearby, organized by our Sneha Sandhya for the benefit of the inmates of the old age homes. Every year, 3 major functions are conducted on special occasions, namely our anniversary on 26th of January, International Women's Day on 8th March, and World Elders Day on 1st October. In 2011, we hosted on a grand scale the 11th Annual Conference of All India Senior Citizens Confederation with over 1,300 delegates from all over the country, including Nepal. Our leaders have been elected to important posts in APSCON, executives, and also appointed to the State Council for Older Persons and district committees for the older persons constituted by the state government.
This conference has a special significance because it is decennial celebration and all of us have gathered at the right destination and city of hope, that is Visakhapatnam.
Mr. PVGK Murthy, who is the chairman of this conference, organizing committee, Dr. TVS Rao, secretary, Mr. Parmeshwar Reddy, he is the president of Andhra Pradesh Confederation of Senior Citizens, Mr. Sharma, who is the chairman of this Sneha Sandhya, our Mr. Mittal, president of All India Senior Citizens Confederation, Dr. S.P. Kinjavadekar, who is the founder, secretary general, and immediate past president of ISKCON. What ISKCON is today, a decade, is because of Dr. Kinjavadekar, I must say.
We had to wait for Mr. Balraja to come, but ultimately we started late. I think under the circumstances, a slight shift in the program is inevitable. We will have the presentations of ISKCON now.
షష్టికళా సంవర్ధిత క్షేత్రం ఆంధ్రం మహామహితాత్ముల తత్వం సత్వం ఆంధ్రం ఆంధ్రం భాష ప్రత్యేకత నిలుపగ తెలుగు కవిత విశ్వరూపం చూపగ నన్నయ రచించి వ్యాకరణం మొదలెడ భారతమాంధ్రీకరణం నన్నయ రచించి వ్యాకరణం మొదలెడ భారతమాంధ్రీకరణం.
In the year 2012, Sneha Sandhya took a major leap into affordable health care of elders by starting Age Care Foundation, a service trust to provide affordable health care for senior citizens. Under the dedicated leadership of our member, Dr. N.S. Raju, and his dedicated team of volunteers, Age Care Foundation has been started. Age Care Foundation has twin objectives of providing basic health care to senior citizens and palliative care to persons with terminal illness. Our aged care team, in collaboration with St. Joseph's Hospital, help the terminally ill senior citizens at the hospice. The Aged Care Foundation, at its own cost, provides necessary pain medications, antibiotics, and others. The foundation also trains and provides bedside attendants to serve the patients at home. Every month, about 500 registered patients attend our patient clinics at 8 different locations in Visakhapatnam city and receive free medicines for diabetes, hypertension, and other chronic ailments after tests are conducted on them free of cost. Apart from these, our medical team visits more than 200 elderly persons living in various old age homes every month and conduct medical checkups and distribute free medicines. Also, one of the free multi-specialty clinics is conducted by our aged care team once in a month at Matham village near Paderu, Vizag district, for the benefit of tribal villagers, a very notable community neglected by our society. All this activity needs large funds received through donations by our members, philanthropists, and institutions, and the services will be further extended in course of time if more funds and volunteers and doctors are available for this great service to senior citizens. Sneha Sandhya is proud to have a number of awards and achievements. In 2007, barely 3 years after its inception, Sneha Sandhya bagged the All India Award at the Best Senior Citizens Association Urban of the All India Senior Citizens Confederation at their annual conference Jaipur, Rajasthan. On the occasion of Ugadi 2010, our founder chairman Sri PBGK Murthy was felicitated by the government of Pondicherry at Yanam for his initiatives for the welfare of senior citizens. Yet another major program conducted by Sneha Sandhya is a full-day program of our decennial celebrations in a colourful and lively manner at the Platinum Jubilee Centre of Andhra University on the 25th of January 2014, which was attended by eminent personalities from all over India, and a variety of entertainments and presentations were organized. On this occasion, 4 of our founder members were honored along with their spouses for the great contribution made by them all these 10 years. They are Mr. PBGK Murthy, founder chairman, Shri KJR Sharma, Shri CV Kumar, founder secretary, and Shri SN Kasturi. Yet another regular activity of our members is the Satsang program. On every second and fourth Saturday, we conduct the Satsang program, which is an interactive session among our members with prefixed topics of common interest on spiritual, social, and other aspects of in our life, in which members participate very actively and get rejuvenated. A unique program of those celebrating the 50th wedding anniversary of our members has been organized sometime in June 2014. All the couples concerned were felicitated and enjoyed the occasion. Our future vision: to establish an integrated daycare center for senior citizens, to continue to meet the objectives of recreation and welfare of our members, to enhance our reach to the less privileged elders in the society with affordable health care with the help of our Age Care Foundation, to work with the authorities and coordinate our efforts with other senior citizens and pensioners organizations to secure for the elders of the city the privileges envisaged in the National Policy for Older Persons. Asatoma Sadgamaya Tamasoma Jyotirgamaya Mruchorma Amrutangamaya Om Shanti 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 Loka Samasta Sukhino Bhavantu Loka Samasta Sukhino Bhavantu Loka Samasta Sukhino Bhavantu.